name is Katia. I live in Miami, Florida. Now I'm into this mermaid look. So now I'm using 4 different type of hair. 18-inch, not straight. See? Our little type. So with all these 4 types of crochet I just named to you guys, we are going to create the Boho Mermaid look. As I started braiding Molly down, gonna need a crochet needle and braiding her down. This is my braiding pattern, guys. We're gonna start this off. Stay tuned so we can see how that new look come out. I'm excited.
Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly
The final touch. Remember I told you guys we was gonna try the new Boho Mermaid crochet look. So what do you guys think? And while all the 4 packs of hair that I show you guys, the different types that I was using, can you guys believe this was only 5 packs in total. 4 packs of the goddess straight, the goddess hair. I used 2 packs of the straight, 2 packs of wavy, and when we went over to our deep twist and our bohemian, I used half a pack of them. So that's how we got this final look.
All these wonderful songs in my head. Ooh, I'm singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind.